Hello everyone. In this video we're doing lab 10.5.6 Manage Devices 2. Here's the scenario and here are the tasks. My second attempt went well, 1 minute 45. I did have to watch a video because my first attempt was uh, maybe 2 days ago and I kind of forgot what to do. So our first task is to disable the Broadcom network adapter. Right click on Start, go to Device Manager, click the down arrow under that arrow for network adapters. Again, we're going to disable the Broadcom network adapter. So Broadcom Net Extreme, right click, and then left click disable. Yes. Then we're going to enable and update the Realtek network adapter. Right click the Realtek 8169, enable it, right click again, update, search automatically for drivers. We wait. 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4. Perfect. Close it. Exit out. I'm sorry, don't exit out. Go back to Device Manager. Next, we're going to roll back the video card driver. Click on Display Adapters. Right-click ATI Radeon HD 3300. Then click on Properties. Then Driver. Then click on Rollback Driver. Yes. Okay. Next, we're going to click on Office 2. We are going to go to connect the Ethernet cable to the integrated Realtek adapter. So click on the back of the PC. Uh, we're going to drag this right here and we're going to place it right there. Next, we're going to score the lab and you'll find success. Here's the explanation detail. Thank you.